Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check for TikTok copyright strikes. So for this, first of all, the first step is to open the TikTok app. So when it's load completely, you will have to go in the profile icon on the right below, and now you will have to go on the top right corner of three lines of settings. Click to settings and privacy. You can also click to TikTok Studio directly, and in the last you will see the account check in more tools. So tab on account check. So in this, the TikTok will be scanning your all videos and posts. So if there are any strikes and violations, so it will be in the last result. It will be tell you how many videos which go on violation, and you will see the two posts are restricted due to you will cross the guidelines of TikTok. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.